How to read anchor chain leading. The direction of the main have two different ways. We have the clock format, the cardinal points. These are the two direction of chains measure. So these are the two main different of two. We have, for example, we have 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and for cardinal points we have north, southeast, south, and northwest. So first, we're going to discuss the clock format because this is the mainly used. So first, we draw a shape. For example, this is a shape, and the mid shape. For example, we have here 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 3, we have 9, this is 1 and 2, 4 and 5, 7 and 8, 10 and 11. So for example, we drop the anchor here. So the anchor chain direction is 10 o'clock, and if you drop starboard side here, your anchor chain direction is 4 o'clock. So it's basic. And if you drop anchor here, your anchor chain direction is 12 o'clock, and if you drop anchor here, your anchor chain direction is 6 o'clock. So basic, it's easily to read anchor chain direction in clock format. So let's proceed how to read anchor chain stay. So we have a different anchor chain stay, and so you already know how to read anchor chain direction by clock format. So now you will need to check the chain leading to determine a short or mid or long stay. There is a fourth option known as the up and down. So let's start with chain up and down. So first, you need to draw a shape. For example, this is a shape, and this is your house pipe. This is the anchor look like, and this is what we call the anchor chain stay. Is chain up and down, up and down, up and down. So it's basic. So the next we have what we call a short stay. So now I'm going to show to you what the short stay look like. For example, this is a shape, and this is a house pipe. That. So if your anchor chain is looking like that, in just small angle going forward, and this is the anchor chain going up. It is basic, and this is what we call short stay. Short stay. So up and down on short stay. So next, guys, we have the medium stay. Shape, another shape, and this is a house pipe. The medium is a little bit, long. I mean, have a bigger than angle from the short stay. So this is look like this. This is the short stay and medium stay. Okay, like that. So the medium stay is more, more distance from short stay. So this is a medium stay. So the last is long stay. Long stay. Shape, another shape. The house pipe. So the anchor chain is looking like that. Different from medium stay, short stay, up and down. It's look like this. So this is a long stay. Long stay, medium stay, short stay, and up and down. So this is our, the anchor chain stay. So I'm going to add, guys, it is also need to report, how to chain pipe and how it is slack, or if your chain is slack or tight. So for example, this is your vessel, and your house pipe. For example, like this chain is like tight, and for example, your vessel is this, your chain is like this. This is a slack. So that's all. Thank you.